Dowsing rods. Oh, dowsing rods. First off, why would I hold it the right way like this when I can hold it like this and prove to you trolls that I'm not moving it? Huh? First question. First question. You said that I'm going to be a mommy. Will I be a mother this year? Dowsing rods. Well, that was a hard yes. Yes or no questions only, and only questions that I know the answer to. Oops, oops. I can't do readings in the dark, so that's why I'm doing dowsing rods. My power's out. Dante! Girl, look at you, then look at me. Look at you, then look at me. Girl, look at you, then look at me. Look at me. Shit, better not let your man see me, girl. Shit, the most horniest man in the whole world wouldn't touch you. Look at your profile picture, you little ugly ass. God damn it. Shit, I didn't mean for that to happen. I did not nod up.
The lie detector determined that was a lie.
I don't know how I'm gonna make money anymore. I think I'll go to Walmart. Who wants to go with me and buy me some? Watch me buy some shit. I don't go on shopping sprees, troll. I've got 2,000 million billion gajillion dollars in the motherfucking bank, trick. Huh, haters make me greater, bitch. I can't do nothing because of the trolls.
Today's show is brought to you by ABCDEFGH. Everybody, get your nod on. Today's episode brought to you by I No Fucking Care. Go cry about it. Hello friends, it is Hutch Daddy 15. Did you or a loved one experience gluteus maximus injury or butt hurt while watching the previous skit? If so, well you're in luck, cause I've got a product for you. Introducing I No Fucking Care. I know fucking care is not a real thing, but by God it should be. I know fucking care, go cry about it, may cause dizziness, drowsiness, explosive diarrhea, extreme fatigue, and snowflakes not being butthurt about every single thing. Know the warning signs of butthurtedness, so you may protect yourself or loved ones against it in the future. Here we see Karen getting butthurt. Then she discovers I No Fucking Care. I'm not butthurt anymore. Thanks, I No Fucking Care. Available in ER, XR, PM, FAFO, FU, and FTW. Don't be butthurt if you dare. Pop you and I No Fucking Care. Coming soon from the makers of I No Care, go cry about it. Kick Rock's fucking trick.